How's everyone doing today? Are you ready? Mystery plate package? Well, I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, and this mystery plate package, 294. Oh, why are they all so light? Super light. Oh, this one's kind of cool. It's shiny, shiny, shiny. Hope it doesn't have a sticker on it. This other one comes from Craig's Finds. Shout out to Craig and his awesome booth at JRB, because I got some good treasures there. You guys want to see what it is? Key West! Who wants to go to Key West? Check out this booster plate. We'll see if we can find any info on it, when it was released, where it was sold, what gift shop it come from, what tours bought it. We probably won't find out any of that, but we'll find you some cool pictures about Key West and see what kind of fish that is. This mystery plate package, 294, and we got this Key West booster. Totally just bought it because it was shiny. See, shiny, shiny. You're weird. Anyways, I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. Like I said, this mystery plate package, 294. 300, we're coming for you. But I'm heading over to YouTube. Unless you're already there. Then just keep watching all the way to the end. Woo! Looks like you made it. Special features, 294. Key West, it's up there around me somewhere, that shiny fish. What kind of fish is that? Do you know? Drop a comment and let me know. But like I said, we couldn't find what store or who bought it or where it come from at all. But I found this cool picture of this signpost. Probably point you in the right direction if you know which one to read. Key West, it's quite the place. Here's an overhead view. It's just a whole bunch of little tiny, tiny islands that go for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles south of Florida. Little bridges everywhere, connecting the whole thing. If you've ever seen the movie True Lies with Arnie, they blow that bridge up. Key West, it's looking pretty cool. Key West, Gray's Coffee Shop, so I'm told. I don't know. I couldn't really find much on Key West, but that plate's pretty shiny. Again, what kind of fish is that? A shiny bluefish? Shiny red, yellow bluefish? I don't know. Do you know? Key West looks like a beautiful place. Check out those beaches. Whew. I wish I was at a beach right now. It's like minus 40 where I am right now filming these videos. It's so cold. So we're going to spend all day doing some filming, trying to catch up on Mystery Plate Package, because we're falling kind of behind, so it's time. Key West, I wish I was there. This Mystery Plate Package, 294. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. That's about all there is. So have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Go to the beach, go to Key West, check out Florida. Tell me what kind of fish that is. Do whatever you want. It's your life. Have an awesome day, everybody. And get a tan.